Lip syncing in humanoid robots is a challenging task that involves coordinating the movement of the robot's lips, jaw, and tongue to match spoken audio. This synchronization is crucial for creating a more natural and human like interaction. Hello and welcome to Denslet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. Now here are the primary methods used for lip syncing in humanoid robots. Number one is rule-based system, which has phoneme to visemy mapping. This involves associating individual phonemes, that means audio or sounds, with corresponding visonemes, that means facial configuration. And rule-based algorithms, these rules dictate how the robot's facial muscles should move for each visome. That means facial configurations. And the limitations of these rule-based systems are it can be inflexible and may not capture the nuances of natural speech. There are another approach, data-driven approaches. It has machine learning because techniques like neural networks can be trained on large datasets of speech and corresponding facial movements. Deep learning, deep neural networks such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and convolutional neural networks, that means CNNs, they can learn complex patterns in speech and facial expressions. It has some advantages. Data-driven approaches can provide more accurate and natural lip syncing as they learn from real-world examples. And there is also another approach which we call hybrid approach, which mixes rule-based systems with data-driven approaches, right? So combining rule-based and data-driven methods can leverage the strengths of both approaches, providing a more robust and flexible solution. And there is also adaptive systems. That means these systems can adjust their lip syncing based on the context and the specific characteristics of the speaker. Now, you might wonder that what are the challenges in lip syncing? When we think about any humanoid robot, which is almost look like humans, like us, and also behave like us or mimic our behaviors accurately, as accurately as possible, of course. Now, there are several challenges. Number one is variability in speech. That means different speakers have unique accents. I have neutral accent, of course, and not only accents, there are different dialects, speaking styles, which can make it difficult to achieve accurate lip syncing. And there are also emotional expressions, because conveying emotions through facial expressions, whether you are sad, whether you are happy, it also includes lip movements, right? So they can be very complex and requires careful coordination. Because I want to add one thing here. Sometimes people when are sad, they can smile, isn't it? It's a sad smile, right? Very depressive, very rejected smile. And when people are happy, they also smile. So these two smiles involve some kind of lip syncing, but they are absolutely different. And the robot, whether if it is not sentient, if it has no feelings, how it can differentiate between sadness and happiness? That is the question, right? Now, therefore, there are some technical limitations. The hardware and software used in humanoid robots can improve constraints on the accuracy and realism of lip syncing. Now, I also want to add here some future directions. That means real time lip syncing, that means developing systems that can synchronize lip movements with spoken audio in real time, is an ongoing area of research. And there is also improved naturalness, because enhancing the naturalness and realism of lip syncing, including capturing subtle facial cues and emotional expressions, these are uh, future directions, right? And integration with other modalities, like combining lip syncing with other forms of communication, such as gestures. You can shrug your shoulder, and when a robot shrugs its shoulder, it must know that why it is shrugging its shoulder, whether in desperation or in happiness or in some other, to uh, put eloquently in other types of expressions. And what I really want to mean here, that if there is no sentience, if there is no feelings, how can a robot differentiate between these different types of gestures or even facial expressions, isn't it? And speech synthesis is also very important, because to create a more immersive and human like experience, it also requires a lot of integration with other modalities. So, as technology advances, we can expect to see significant improvements in the quality and realism of lip syncing in humanoid robots. Of course, we can expect more real life examples and real life gestures, mimicry, and etc. etc. And I hope that humanoid robots will become more like humans, more like us. But it's a very challenging task. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos, because I upload almost every day. So you will get always a new topic in this channel in Wooden Slet. Keep watching Wooden Slet, keep supporting Wooden Slet. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.